ง่ายแค่นี้เหรอเออง่ายเนาะเออง่ายเนาะก็คือหูฟังแล้วค่อยว่ากันนะเราค่อยว่ากันเรายังไม่ฟังเสียงเราเราเริ่มไปเลยโอเคก่อนที่จะเริ่มเนี่ยนี่จะเป็นไลฟ์สตรีมที่เราจะพูดอะไรจริงจังเป็นครั้งแรกนะครับผมเก่งกาจแต่ก่อนที่เราจะเริ่มเนี่ยต้องกินเวทโปรตีนกันเพราะว่าเราเพิ่งกินข้าวตอนนี้เวลากี่โมงวะจะ3 ทุ่มแล้วเรากินข้าวไปอยากจะกลับมาถึงบ้านแล้วก็ไปฟิตเนสมาแล้วกลับมาถึงบ้านสิเรียบเรียงคำพูดไม่เถอะเราจะมาโชว์เวย์เนี่ยจะดูครับอุ๊ยไม่มีระบบแชทไม่มีอีแต่เอ้ยไม่ได้ไม่ได้ไม่มีระบบเลยพี่เราแค่อยากทำเรานะโอเคมาเอ้ย all right well all right guys so this is my first live streaming first ever live streaming actually after all the setup that I've prepared for 2 and 3 hours. Yes, and this live streaming. What's the point of having this live streaming? Even I'm not really a live streamer or not really have an experiences or the skill to do all the things. But yes, I'm gonna do it anyway because I want to tell story better. I want to practice my English in front of the camera. I want to improve my storytelling. And all of this just for the sake of being better at communication. That's it. So yeah, it might sound a bit weird with my English, which I'm not really good at it, but I'm trying my best. Just I know that I just need to speak it more and more and more and learn to think in English. And hopefully, 1 year after this, 1 year, I will check it out. 1 year after that, I will be more fluent in English. I will be more natural speaking in English. I will be more visionary. Can I say that? That sounds a bit wrong, but I don't know what to say, what to describe. What is the word? But yeah, let's see how far I can go in 1 year. And I might not be able to stream like every week. Yeah, but I will do what I can do. So let's start with what I've been what I've been in ต้องพูดว่าอะไรวะต้องพูดว่า so today's story is about the event that I've been participated today. This event I found this event when I'm searching for not I found this event when I'm searching for the the event that related to the things that I've been doing for almost 1 year about ethics, and this event is called Inter. Oh, I shouldn't be. In the past, Thailand. Where in Biotech, Bangladesh. In the past, Thailand. Yeah, in the past, Thailand. To be honest, I don't really know what it is at the first place, but um, Gemini. I'm not sure. Gemini or Claude suggest recommend me to visit it, because it's about the plastic. There's some kind like the byproduct from the natural rubber that I'm interested. I'm very interested in right now. I'm very interested. I'm very interested. That's that I'm focused is that I'm focused on. That I pay attention on. I I'm I'm having a look. I'm having a look. I'm taking a look. Yeah, those kind of things. Yeah. So yeah, I don't have any background on this event. Interplast Thailand 2026 is held during 17 to 20 June of this year, this month. And you can see that this today is the last day of the event. So this is the only chance I could this is the only chance I have, and I took it. I registered in today's like today noon, and after I complete all of the things I should have for the hackathon and all of those boring stuff, all the shows. So I drive the car to Bytech Bana this afternoon to the event. So what's really inside? I get several brochures and then business cards. Yeah, this is mine by the way. Wow, can't really forget it. Wow, tracking cancel. The hell. Yeah, we got several. And here's the brochure that they give me. Oh yeah, the fun part is really when I'm registering, it say on the website that the early bird or the early registration would save me 500 baht. But at the time that I'm registered, it's actually the last day of the event, but it's still saved me 500 baht. I'm not sure that it is still called an early bird. But anyway, I have the QR code and scan and get the name tag. Where is it? Let me get it. Here. Here's what I mentioned. Here's what I'm telling you. Yeah, yes, that I have this one. Yeah, it's Gazetted Annex Thailand with the QR code. I've got it for free. Even they tell me that I have to pay 500 baht. That's crazy. All right. So the main brochure is this. Is this? This is really a big event, and I just saw the PR on the Facebook that manufacturing. what is it called? What is this called? This is a part of the big event. But I'm not sure what it is called right now. By tech, by tech, bang, 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 and manufacturing expo. Yeah, and this is Intermall Thailand in automotive, man. This is all the event. Yes, that's it. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of event in. So it's really took all the, oh, how can I say, all the room, all the hall in Bytech for this one particular event, manufacturing. And yes, there's a lot of company, a lot of เรียกว่าไงอะ a booths that related to the manufacturing. I don't even know what is this. Nepcon. I'm not sure I see it. Yeah, yes, it's not in innovation that build circular factory. So yeah, but the main focus, and you can see that there is a lot, plenty of the event, and there's a lot of booths. As you can see, here is the brochure that I got when I'm scanning and get the tag. And here, whoop, whoop, and here is the plan, the fall plan. And this is what I want to go into plastic. And there's a mold, automotive, Nepcon. I don't know what it is. Nepcon, what does it stand for? From it. Assembly automotive. So it took all the holes in Biotech Bana. That's crazy. And I've checked that there's not really the panels discussion that I'm really interested in today for today event. This is one on the 11 OCOP about the stop the losses. 5 hidden cost leaks in your factory. Well, I don't even have a factory right now. Or even the topic about the innovative spot cooling solution for open industrial areas, which no, I don't really want to know about it right now. I don't have a factory. But there's one thing that I think I might be interested in is which is the solar ROI of 2026. I mean, when is it tell us when will solar investment pay back for factories? It's still related to the factory anyway. So one last thing is about the cybersecurity. So yeah, I skip all this kind of, and you can see here there's a lot of booths. That's crazy. The last time I've been here in Biotech, it took just like 2 or 3 holes about the electronics or the furniture. I've never been in this kind of event that took all the holes at one time. Yeah, this is just to tell you how big the event is. And this is my first time joining this kind of event, and it's opened my open my open เอาไปไหนใช้คำว่าอะไรเปิดโลกภาษาอังกฤษสิจะมา Open World ไม่ได้ Open the world posture of Buddha image what the fuck อะไรอ่ะเปิดโลก posture of Buddha image นี่มาฟังอันนี้ด้วย broaden the mind broaden the mind เปิดประสบการณ์ and eye-opening experiences how could I forget it and and eye-opening experiences yeah that's the word all right so what I seen or what I've experienced in this event and what would that I'll take a look. Oh, can I like open? What is?ไม่ได้เปิดทุกอย่างไม่ได้ว่าหมดเต็มหมด turn off I said continue continue แอนพูดนี่คือ this is what ไม่ใช่ไม่ใช่ที่เราไปดูนะครับนี่มันมอมโอ้โมหมอมูไปไหนแล้วอ้วนไปไหนแล้วอ้วนกินข้าวอยู่นะครับอ้วนกินข้าวปล่อยอ้วนกินข้าวเดี๋ยวอ้วนก็หายไปแล้วก็ so ลืมไปแล้วใช่ไหมนี่นี่คือบรรยากาศเนี่ยมันมีวิดีโอนี่มันมีวิดีโอ there's a video that I took mock videos can I access this on my computer yes but yes. Or should I open using photos Google Photos reset Google Photo อะไรอ่ะไม่ได้ล็อกอินหรอมันจะล็อกอินไว้อยู่แล้วแกะหน้าหน่อยได้ไหมจ๊ะได้จ้ะอะไรอ่ะจะล็อกอินได้ไหมเนี่ยวันนี้ทำไมมันไม่ล็อกอินไม่เข้าใจมาแล้วไอ้มั่วมั่วไอ้หมูนี่หน่อยมานี่หน่อยมาอย่างเงี้ยอย่างเงี้ยเห็นไหมแกอ้วกปะเนี่ยเออโอ้ก็อย่างนี้ก็อย่างเงี้ยโอ้มันได้แหละเลยแล้วเปียกปากเปียกปากแฉะหมดเลยเปียกปากแฉะเลยโอ้โอ้โอ้มันน่าเลยเลยมาลิ้นโค้งเลยด้วยโอ้โหโอ้โหไงโอ้ดมเลยไม่ดมหรอกครับสแกนหน้าหน่อยหนึ่งทีเป็นพูดไหมเนี่ยนี่โอเค here's go videos videos ครับทำไมล่ะไม่ขึ้นนี่มันแล้วมาแล้วโอเคอะไรเนี่ยไม่มีคลิปโป้เลยมันมีอะไรอย่างนั้นอยู่แล้วนะครับโอ้ยที่เราเทสกันไปโอเคไม่ It just one word downloading the videos from the phone and also the Google Photos. Okay, next time I gotta prepare it. Okay, so let's continue. There are several matchings of food that I think is related to what I'm doing. Let me start with what is this about? This one. This one. Okay. This is the molding company called Taishuo Xijia Plastic Molding Company Limited, which is based in Xinjiang, China. Most of the company that here is Chinese, and there's a lot of Chinese. So this uh this is Xinjiang province. I just realized that this is CJ. It is on the most eastern part of China, just attached to Shanghai. So there's a lot of product that they they produce. This is the molding company that you can design your product in 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 the plastic materials, and they're gonna use the CNC machine to customize the mold for the plastic injection. So if I design the part of my product, so I can contact them to construct the mold, and they can send us the mold here to Thailand, or even they can send the mold to the production factory, to the manufacturers in China as well, to do all of those, I mean, those production line. So this is one that really is an eye opening. The second one, which I started here, is an RFID. This company SAS is the distributor in Thailand, but I think it sounds like they have an OEM manufacturer in China, based in China, and they are the distributor. What they sell, there's a lot of product that they sell, but one of the stuff that I'm really looking for is the RFID. What is RFID? Let's see. RFID. RFID is a radio frequency identification. You can which is, for example, like the tag that the Decathlon is using to check out their products. And to be able to identify the RFID, they also sells the mobile RFID, which is the scanner to scan the RFID. But anyway, you can literally use the different scanner to identify or read the RFID. The minimum order that I asked, they say that it should be at least 5,000 pieces of the RFID, and there's several designs of the RFID for the several to fit the several different purpose of the product. For example, like the wood rack or type of the, I don't know, the bin, all of this stuff. There's a lot of RFID design. Yeah. What I see is pretty much like this. There's really many design, and each design had different price. Yes. This is the tag, just a tag with the QR code. We have the full tag here, like the plastic tab, or even the key card, or the button, or just this sticker. There's so many design that I think it would be really useful for what I'm doing. But the point is, it's really expensive. With the minimum order of 5,000 pieces, this kind of tab would cost about 100 bucks. That's a lot for the 3 rubber tee. So yes, I know what I'm supposed to know right now, and RFID wouldn't be the one for what I'm looking for. It's not what I'm looking for right now. So the next one, the next product is this guy. Hey, I have to talk about this guy. It's Kian's Thailand เครื่องมือวัดกล้องไมโครสโคปมันไม่มีภาษาอังกฤษผมก็พูดภาษาอังกฤษพูดภาษาอังกฤษเครื่องมือวัด measurable measurement tools microscopics and automations. So this is the distributor, also one of the distributors that have the headquarters in Thailand as well. Not the headquarters, just the distributor in Thailand. So that's really futuristic. The booth is magnificent, clean, and modern and outstanding compared to the others. So the first product that they they tell me that or the product that I'm really that I have a look me and see yes yes yeah this is it. Okay. Here there's sensors, smart sensors or measurable tools. And one product that I'm really interested in is the digital microscopes. With there's actually the laser scan. Another one is this one. The elemental analyzers. Okay, let's go. Let's start with this one. The laser scan microscope. You can put your micros, your PCB or your product and scan it, and you could get the 3D models just a few seconds after you click the button, and you can see and take a look and zoom in to define the defect to define the defect of your product in microscopic scale. That is crazy. Is there any like the videos? No. Nope. Never mind. Okay. The other thing is digital microscope. Just just the regular microscope, but you can it's it's connected to the monitors, so you can zoom in with crazy. เขาเรียกว่าอะไรอะ crazy X crazy scale crazy power yeah power yeah yeah ทำไม and one last thing that is really related to the work I'm working is about this elemental analyzers. Just one click. I mean, put your product or put the sample there, and just one click, it will like move the laser and fire the laser to the product to the point that you are pointing at, and it will just get what is the element like nickel, gold, magnesium, silicon. It will get the element for you and how many percentage is this Okay. What thing then there must be a video on YouTube. Um, mental analysis. Yeah, it is. Laser based. It's a laser based elemental analysis, which is different from what I'm familiar with. For my work at PGEP or geological analysis, we commonly use the XRD, X-ray diffraction diffractometer, or the XRF, uh, which is different kind of method. But anyway, we gotta fire some kind of the electromagnetic waves to the samples and collect the diffractions of it and compare the data to compare those value to the data we have, and we can point out that how many percentage of each element or minerals in different methods. But this is using laser, just laser, not X-rays. And they say that this technique is the technique that's using in Mars. I mean, the curiosity that they sent to Mars, and there's a modules that use this technique to just take the rock samples and fire the and pointing the lasers, and they will know what is the element and how many percentage of it. Just literally. So the normal process of doing the SEM, they have to use the vacuum, right, to drain all to suck all the air out, to not really get the sample contaminated with other elements, to make the analysis more accurate. But this process, so is just no vacuum required. But I assume that there will be a lot more uncertainty. But let's see that this sensitivity is reliable and acceptable for the users can seamlessly switch from yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the microscopic lens. It can zoom in like from 5 to 200x, and this is when we press the button to do the elemental elemental analysis. They're gonna move the laser pointer within seconds, and within second the material will be fired. Yeah, within a second the element will be identified. You can see that it defined as the iron, the chromium, nickel, and potassium, and how many percentage of it. Yep, this is really a great one. But the price is about 2 million, 2.5 million to 4 million, but depends on the option that you would like to have. This is great interesting one. All right. So the next booth, the next company, this is another one. I just take it. She offered me, and I just took it. I don't even know what is it about. I don't even know. I don't even want to know. This is Biocom. What Biocom? Let's see that website. Biocom. Biocom. Not Biocom. My mistake. Biocom. Biocom Limited. All right. What the hell? Yeah, it should be this company Biocom. Global Company Limited. But there's no website. How can it be? Whoa, 5 million. Alright, so uh, I just want to show you the product that they have. Um, bioplastic. No, not bioplastic. Plastic with the mixture of bio material. Yes, eco-friendly bio business. Yeah, yeah. It's just look like this by com by com global. Ah, why is it so hot? I should have taken pictures of it. Hmm. I should have taken the pictures. Shouldn't be afraid to take a picture. Make the storytelling a lot harder. And biomaterial, plastic. Oh, okay, yeah, this is this picture. This company, Bicom, is the company that they have that there is plastic manufacturers. So during the process, there will be some plastic that get heated for several times and it lose the property. For example, is weakening. It might not be in a quality that the main product can be used or recycled to use. So the idea is to use that weakening plastic, weakened plastic, weakened plastic. They decided to combine those remnant, not remnant, those disposals, those เรียกว่าอะไรอะของเหลือเขาอยู่กันก็ลืมนะพี่กาดไม่ใช่อากาศ the leftover remainder. Those this will be the leftover or the remainder of the plastic that lose the the quality already. But to strengthen it, the idea is mix those leftover PPE or PE with the bio materials. For example, like โอ้ยเฮียยากเข้าไปใหญ่แกลบแกลบเนี่ยเป็นเส้นใยมะพร้าวขุยมะพร้าวมะพร้าวโคโคนัทโคไม่รู้จักเลยคืออะไรโคโคนัทโคขุยมะพร้าวโคโคนัทโคย yeah or anything else that degradable but this plastic the final product still not a biodegradable plastics because the the main ingredient is the polyethylene or just the normal plastics that won't decay through time. So yeah, it's just the process of making the the plastic product using the leftover plastic, combine strengthen it with the biodegradable materials. That sounds that's almost sound good until I asked it that is biodegradable. It's not. But yeah, it is. They try to minimize the loss, the what can I say ของเสียของเสียกากของเสีย waste แม่งเหี้ยแค่นี้ไม่ใช้แล้วมึงก็ไม่เคยดู waste the waste during the production. This is Bangkok. Okay, next. ภาคอีสานอ๋อ Quacktail. Just open their website. Quacktail. End-to-end IoT solution provider. You might wondering why I am uh, interested on this company, because what I've been doing will soon be IoT to boost this to maximize the usage of it and to digitalize. So this company is the company that provide the end-to-end IoT solution. So in my understanding, to be able to use IoT, you have to combine many parts to get the to make your product IoTs. But this company said that there's you can buy the PCB, which you can customize anything you want. Uh, there's this really old select. You can customize it and tell the factory to make it tailor-made for you. And they can be like an OEM for us. So they sell, in a nutshell, they sell the PCB that are customizable. So if you need 4G for my project, I might need just 4G, the GNSS, which is the positioning chip. Here is GNSS for like a GPS. I might use the 4G LTE. 5G might not be necessary. I might use this 4G and GNSS. And probably the last one would be like the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to connect to interconnect together each other. So I can tell them to make the small PCB that contains all this module, 3 modules, and just send me the product. So I don't have to design the PCB on my own, and there will be the ecosystem to that I can use of. It's really new for me, and I never thought about it that much. But I think that it would be great to have the IoT to make our robot. I mean, can I be able to communicate wirelessly? So this is a great one. Quacktail, Quacktail, Quacktail. All right, let's get back to the plastic. This is not the last. Um, this is this company called Central Color. Their factory is in Thailand, and what they are selling the color, and that's the word that the salesperson's talking to me. they mentioned about the what they mentioned. They mentioned about the master batch. Master batch. They 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 tell me a lot about master batch, but I totally have no idea what this is about. The master batch, and I keep like nodding that. All right, okay, okay, master batch. Okay, you can choose the color of the plastic in any color. We can mix it for you in master batch. And what the fuck is master batch? I don't really have a, but I'm afraid to ask them about what is the master batch, because it's they simply tell you that that is the the language, industry language, but um not really. I don't really know what it is. But I end up talk to the Gemini and ask them what is this the master batch? What is the master batch? Let me show you. Master batch. The master batch is the high concentration of the plastic with the pigment, and there will be the additive and put in it. So this high concentration of plastic will be used as a master to blend the product or to blend the batch. Yes, it's just straightforward master batch. So you can have like the master color and master additives or master filler, anything else that you want your 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 final product to have. You can just ask them to provide the master batch. And yeah, this that's the advantage of using the master machines. It will be in the grain เป็นพลาสติกภาษาอังกฤษคืออะไรวะเม็ดพลาสติกพลาสติกพลาสติก pellets โอ้คุณดูเนี่ยอืม so the pros is it will be in the plastic pellets ดูมีความรู้ทันทีเลยอินเตอร์ so that will reduce the problem of the dust in the factory. It's just easier to use. It blend more perfectly. Yeah, yeah, you get the right color, the accuracy of it. This is the master batched, and there's really a lot of product that they chose. Um, it's an eye-opening experience still. Yep, that I have to know it. The last one is oh, ปากกามาทำเพี้ยอะไรวะตัวกระดาษ but this is the sales the salesman is Japanese. This is the only Japan company that I've talked to. This company called Morditech. Morditech. Let me open the website. I never visit the Morditech. See, Mori Morditech rubber. Oh, interesting. Okay, let's see. 60 years, for over 60 years, moldless manufacturing. Um, in short, oh, there's a lot of stickers. Oh, what about it? Yeah, yeah, there is. This is the molded manufacturing. Uh, uh, normally to get the rubber rubber product, they commonly use the injection, but this company use the moldless manufacturing. Is kind of like the CNC machine, but uses with the rubber. So I never seen this video before. See, yeah. The the most advantage of this method is extremely fast to get the product after you send the design to them, because they don't have to produce the mold first and then get the product. They just craft the product using the moldless technique, moldless. So the lead time is just 1 week. The salesman could Mr. Kurogi said that if you have your design, ทำไมภาษาสำเนียงนี้ if you have your design, if you have the designs, the 3D, and you can send to them, and it will deliver back to you in just 1 week. That shit is crazy. Short delivery times. Short delivery times. Yes, yes. This is this is this is the normal metal mold manufacturing, right? You have the mold, you have the rubber, put it in between the mold, and use the heat and the pressure to deform it, product is extracted, remove the fashion. So the the downside is the cons is they they have to do like the mass production to make it more profitable. It sounds like AI. Analytics. So this more or less manufacturing, they're gonna cut the block or if anything else of the rubber, just cut it out and cut it to the specified design or drill a hole, even drill the hole like this. This is it. Just try to cut it and drill it. Whatever. I don't know how to say. Whoop. Or even in the blue office. Whoop. Cut in between. Yeah. When machining glue, what is it? Yeah. And it's a rubber, so it's elastical. Material. Yeah. So if the product have to be in the sheet, so they can cut it and using the adhesives or the glues, not exactly the glue, but the adhesive to 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 take it together. So the minimum order is just one. It's really great for the prototyping. All photo are examples of custom-made products. I feel yeah. This is very interesting. So now I know. And if I would ever want the rubber part, I can contact it. And the benefits of live streaming, this is I can just push all of it into the trash bin, into the trash can. Because it's all record. It's all record, right? The name guys. So it's all record. Yes, it's all record. So I can take it to the bin. I don't need any more. And that is pretty much everything I got from the manufacturing expo in the past. The cost to be there is mostly I spend on the tollway, on the tollway. I think I spent like 200 baht from my home, from my home, my home, from my home to Baite, back to the company. I mean, back to PTTEP and Co. To to what? To the gym. Yeah. To the gym is my back day, but my wrist is really hurting right now. I can't do much. Fortunately, that I have a grip that I purchased from from Fitway. So yeah, that's pretty much today. That is pretty much today. What I would like to talk about. Oh, right. So let's end the day. But not really. Let's end the. Oh, there's a lot of work to do tomorrow. First, I have to finish the hackathon, the rundown to get ready for the event is the next Wednesday. But I have to to do the typing practice. Let's switch to Thai. Now my speed on Thai typing is poorer than the English. How can it be? I couldn't remember anything. How how กันอยู่แล้วอันใช่ละอันใช่ละอันไม่ใช่อ่ะนู้อันนี้เหรอวอชิปเกอร์ฉันอันโนโนยแบบนี้โอบังไม่เข้ามาตรฐานอยู่นี่ฉันต้องชิปผิดอันผิดอันผิดอันจะเป็นบ้าก่อนสามโนโนอันนี้สระอูอันไหนวะโอพุดาเด็กอ่ะโอห้องห้องมัสลูและโทรต้องเป็นตัวนี้ไม่ใช่ตัวนี้ห้องฝั่งนี้วงเงินอยู่นี่หัว ไม่ใช่ของไม่ใช่เอ็มพวกวอแหวนไม่ใช่ไม่ใช่โอ้โหไอ้เหี้ยผิดไอสระไอไปปลาอยู่นี่คืนคืนของปลาต้องยืดอยู่นะคืนสระอื่นอยู่นี่ผิดสระอื่นอยู่นี่เลยเหรอ่ะคืนนอนอยู่นี่ฟอหอกอดอหอหอรอรอไปไกลกว่านี้หลายยักษ์อยู่งองูยักษ์อยู่ตรงนี้เหรอหลายดีดาเด็กดีสระอีอยู่ไหนสระอีอยู่บนดีเรียก ตรงนี้เรียกสระเอียกดีผิดอันนี้ยอยักษ์ผิดอันด้วยผิดอันด้วยเฮียอยู่นี่เลยฟหกว่าผิดอันว่าฟหกดเอกอาสววอยู่นี่เอกอาอยู่นี่ท่าอยู่ไหนท่าท่าเป็นนู่นเลยเหรอท่าคือห้าเลยเหรอท่า เอกยังยังไปนี่เลยอังสระอังงองูงองูเอื้อมหน่อยหนูเอื้อมหน่อยสระไอเอื้อมหน่อยจะจบไหมเนี่ยบางบออาวางบางมันอยู่นี่แหละอันนี้คือยักษ์บอใบไม้สระอางองูปึ๊บเฉพาะสระเอชอช้างชอชิงสิชอชิงคือต้องชิดมานี่14เพาะตัวนี้เพาะอ่ะเอแม่นขึ้นอะอยากดูดีย่างย่างย่างย่างหนึ่งงูย่างย่างงองูไปอีกไอไหลยาผิดยาวอ่าว้าวเข้าโอเคเหรออยู่นู่นเลยเหรอเข้าเข้าเอ้าไอใจอยู่ไออยู่นี่เลยเหรอโอ้เพิ่งรู้ใจปุ๊บติดติดไอ้เนี่ยตัวเสืออะไรวะตัวเสือสีดไม่ใช่เหรอวะสีดอ๋อสระอีกันสีเอฮิฮินี่คือทีอีเมื่ออืมตัวเอ็มไม่ใช่เอ็มสระเอื้อเอื้อเอื้อคือวีเพื่อนเพื่อนเพื่อนสระเอื้อนเพื่อนพอนอนหนูนี่มันรอเรือรอเดอเอินเดอผิดอันเหี้ยเดินสระเอิญเอินนอนหนูนู่นเรือนอนหนูทางทางอันนี้มาวะไม่ใช่เรือทางการเมืองผมต้องเป็นตัวนี้ไม่เอ่อเมืองเมืองตั้งแต่เป็นสาวเป็นนายเป็นสาวเป็นกายตั้งตั้งแต่อุ้ยอันนี้ถูกด้วยเก่งจังเลยจริงจังแต่พระเอกเออเราอะตัวมินิท accuracy มัน3%ห่วยแตกชิบหายนี่เดี๋ยวโชว์ภาษาอังกฤษให้ดูจากเดิมแล้วภาษาอังกฤษผมจะได้ประมาณ20กว่า word per minute accuracy ห่วยแตกแบบผีหมามากแต่ตอนนี้จากที่เราฝึกกันมาประมาณหนึ่งแหละมันก็พอจะดีขึ้นบ้างอย่างมีนัยสำคัญแล้วนะ average อืมเนี่ยเราจะไปให้ ARD เพื่อนส่วนน้อยเอ้ยไง56เว้ย accuracy 64สกอร์ไม่ธรรมดาภาษาจริงพอได้จากเดิม30นะครับจากเดิม30แล้วก็ผิดดีมาผิดเกิดแต่มากพัฒนาขึ้นอยู่เราแค่ต้องทำไปเรื่อยๆเนาะผิดนะเริ่มมาก็ผิดแล้วทำไมโกงไหมอ๋อผิดเอ้ยแต่ accuracy ไม่ดีครับ Google บอกว่าต้องได้97%พยายามอย่าสนใจสปีดสนใจ accuracy เป็นหลักเพื่อให้ muscle memory เราเป็นคำที่มันถูกต้องเนาะเราก็ค่อยไปเพิ่มสปีดทีหลังมาเราจะลองทำให้ได้100% accuracy ไม่ได้ไม่นอนแต่เราต้องช้าผิดกดผิดอีกทีนึงไปเติม S อ่านิ้วอ้วนอ่าผิดอันนี้ผิดเองอันนี้ผิดเองโอเคเอาแบบไม่ผิดแบบถูกหน่อยนะเทคแดเทคแดเยอะสัสเลิกเร็วเอาไว้เลิกพิมพ์เดี๋ยวพิมพ์ไม่ถูกเลิกพิมพ์เดี๋ยวเริ่มมาแล้วผิดก็เอาใหม่ได้100%แต่ว่าสปีดเหลือ40นะครับประมาณนี้อันนี้ประมาณนี้เราไปสภาษาไทยอีกรอบ เว็บโอ้เฮ้ยมีแล้วเหรอเด็กป่วยแตกโอ้ยอันนี้ยากอ่ะเดี๋ยวโอ้ว้าวว้าวโอเค achievement ใหม่เออเยี่ยมนั่นแหละเราเป้าหมายคือ150บวกแล้วไม่รู้กี่ปีเหมือนกันแล้วยิ่งเดี๋ยวนี้ไม่ต้องพิมพ์เองเยอะแล้วให้ AI พิมพ์ให้หลังๆน่าจะต้องแก้ภาษาไทยก่อนเพราะแม่งพิมพ์ผิดเยอะเกินไปทุกวันนี้ แต่ว่าประมาณนี้พอวันนี้จบไลฟ์บาย you will not be able to reconnect they will stop and you will no longer be live